Morning, students. Today we are doing the next topic, that is better housekeeping practices. We have studied the process of cleaning water and you are also aware of the wastewater treatment plant. Now today we are doing what can we do to minimize the waste. So here are some points that we will discuss one by one. So number one, as you can see in this animation, that we should not let cooking oil and fats flow down the drain. As you know that oil can harden and block the pipes, and the chemicals like paint, solvents, insecticides, motor oils and medicine, they may kill the microbes that help to purify the water. So we should not dispose in the drain. We should not throw solid food remains or use tea leaves in the drain, and we should not throw, as you know that they chalk the drains. So now we are discussing the next topic, that is sanitation and disease. So here in this animation you can see that poor sanitation and contaminated drinking water are the causes of large number of diseases. So you can see in this animation that this condition of sanitation is quite good in the cities, but if we are compared with the villages, so you can see in the case of the village, so a large part of the population of our country defecate in the open, at riverside or railway track, near field, and many times directly in water. So it pollutes our water. It is carried away by the water and mixes with the water that is used for drinking. So you can see here that this water causes the water and soil pollution. So it may causes waterborne diseases like cholera, typhoid, dysentery. So these are the diseases that are caused by the water pollution. So we should improve the sanitation system. And septic tank can be installed at the places where there is no sewerage system. So as you know about the septic tank, we have discussed in the first video, and we should appointed the on-site human waste disposal technology also. And in this system, excreta from the toilets flow through the covered drains into a biogas plant. As you know that biogas plant is used to generate the electricity. So now it can further be used as a source of energy, as I have discussed earlier. So our government has laid down some standard of sanitation, but they are not strictly followed. So we can contribute to it maintaining sanitation in public places also. So we should not scatter the litter anywhere. We should keep our surrounding clean and healthy. Okay? And now what did we just learn? Where underground sewerage system and refuse disposal system are not available, the low-cost on-site sanitation system can be adopted. So what are the low-cost on-site sanitation system? Like septic tank, chemical toilets, biogas plants. Okay. So now after this, byproducts of wastewater treatment and are the sludge and biogas. And an open drain is a breeding place for the flies, mosquitoes and organisms which cause diseases. So we should not defecate in the open. It is possible to safely dispose of excreta by low cost methods. Okay. So as a good citizen, we should follow all the points. Thank you.